Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: fresh batteries, a clean probe, and a dry sensor. These prevent false readings. Once done, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to boot the Dr. Vaku thermometer. Make sure the display lights and the self-check sequence runs. This verifies internal calibration. If prompted, select mode, oral, axillary, or surface, because mode changes affect thresholds. Listen for the ready tone. Then you're set to take the first measurement. Now place the probe correctly for the chosen mode, under the tongue toward the back for oral, tucked well into the armpit for axillary, or aimed at the center of the forehead for IR surface readings. Hold the thermometer steady. Movement causes variance, so keep still until the beep signals a full read. This takes about 5 to 10 seconds. After the beep, wait a moment before removing, because transmission stabilizes. Make sure to apply mode-specific offsets when comparing to clinical standards. Finish by recording the temperature and time. You can rely on the Dr. Vaku memory recall to review prior values. Once recorded, power off, clean the probe with an alcohol wipe, and store the unit in its case away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to preserve accuracy. If readings seem inconsistent, first replace the battery, then try the device reset or recalibration routine. This often fixes drift. If problems persist, check for physical damage before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.